Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. In this lesson we're coming back to the Play 1 movement script and we're going to start getting things in place for when the players won a round. And we're going to begin by creating another animation clip. And we can just copy the player defeated final hit anim. I'm actually just going to change that to defeated animation, so let's just shorten that. And this one will just have that called player 1 anim. And we'll quickly just change the comments. Let's just save that off. And we're going to create a bool. So obviously this can go wherever you want. I'll put it here. This needs to be of type public but of type static as well. Very important. It's going to be of type bool underscore player 1. In fact, let's just put, we'll just use round 1. And we'll just put that into the comments. Create bool for if the round has been won. I'm just changing that. So just where it says final hit animation, let's change this to defeated as well. And we'll just copy and paste that in the debug log, and then it's just a case of looking through, such as here in the set player defeated, and just paste in the new naming convention. So let's come all the way back up to the top and we'll begin here in play 1 states. Let's do this first. We're going to put another one in, player 1, comma. Now I'm just putting 1 and defeated together before the last one, player demo, so it doesn't really matter, but it's your choice where to put that. And again, you could put this anywhere in the void start, this next line. I'm just going to put it here. Round 1 is going to equal false. And we'll just put the normal comment in. And now we're going to come to the void update. Now I'm going to put this here at the top, just beneath the apply gravity function. Now this does matter where it goes. So you can put it here. You may be okay putting it above the gravity line, but I'm going to put it here. And we're just going to create a quick if statement. So if round 1 double equals true, let's get that into the comments. And beneath, we're just going to put the normal return line. So this is just to, obviously, once we've actually won the round, until the next round starts, what we don't want to do is be able to actually move the player. So we're just putting that to prevent any issues. We're going to come to our finite state machine, the enumerator. I'm just going to copy the case for the player defeated, all 3 lines. We'll just paste that in below. And of course, we're just going to change to player 1. So we'll get the red error, as you can see, and that's only because we haven't created the void yet. So let's come down the script. Apologies if you can hear the siren outside. But we're going to come, we've got the play defeated here. So here we are, we'll scroll down a bit further, set player defeated. I actually might move these voids around a little bit, but for now, this needs to be of type public, and it's going to be set player 1. Open and close brackets, open and close again. Sorry, I don't know what I was thinking there. There we go. We'll just quickly add a debug log as we normally do for new voids. And we'll need to create, let's put that here. So this can be of type private void, and we'll make this the player 1 void. Again, we'll just put in the debug log for now. And if we save that off, that should now get rid of the red error, which it does. So set player 1, let's just copy in one of the lines where we change states. And of course, we're just going to change this to player 1. And I'm going to scroll down. Let's have a look. We'll copy the player defeated animation void. Let's just paste that in again, and obviously we're just going to change it to 1. We need to change it here as well. And I'll change that to winning animation for the comment. Let's copy the name of this void. Let's paste that in. Open and close brackets, close the line off, and in the comments we'll just put that we're calling that function. So let's just copy and paste that in. So that is the set player 1 done. So let's come to let's have a look. It's actually up where we created it here. So I'm just going to come to the opponent AI for a quick moment. Let's just scroll down. And I'm just going to look for opponent defeated. Here we go. So let's have a look at this. We can actually copy everything in this void. So let's select copy and we'll paste that in. Obviously we're going to get a lot of errors. So opponent move direction, let's change this to play 1 move direction. So vertical speed, what did I use here? I must have used a different naming convention, which I did. Players speed y-axis. So let's just come down and we'll change that there. And let's copy player 1 move direction, and we're just going to paste it in everywhere it says opponent move direction. So let's just go ahead and get those in place. And we'll quickly just change the comment opponent transform. So again, I'm just going to change that to player 1. collision flags opponent, and I'm just going to check the naming convention. So yeah, collision flags player 1, let's come down. We'll just paste that in. Opponent controller. We'll change that to player controller. And the final two here, opponent anim should be player 1 anim. Yeah. And of course, opponent defeated final hit is going to be changed to player anim. Or was that play? Did I use play 1? Yep. And we'll just change that out and we'll save it off. We'll leave it here for this lesson and we'll get the final little bit of code in place in the next video. But as I said, we'll leave it here for now. As always, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope to see you next time. And as always, until then, bye for now.